Kia ora e te whānau. Hands up if anyone out there is interested in expanding on their te reo speaking capabilities. I've been wanting to learn mōreo for a really long time, but kept putting it off and putting it in the too hard basket, or just procrastinating on it. Last week was Te Wiki o Te Reo, and my very clever friend has a reo online learning platform called Kōrero online. I finally had my first te reo lesson, and it was a game changer because you have one-on-one classes with a coach or kayako. You buy points online and you book your classes online whenever there's a spot available. The best thing about them was the classes only have to be 25 minutes to start with. You can determine your own curriculum, as in you can let them know what you want to focus on learning first, if you have a purpose behind it, or maybe you just want to keep up with what your kids are learning at school, or be able to speak to your friends with more te reo, or maybe you want to gift it to your employees so that the people in your place of business can expand on their te reo capabilities or learn more about the tikanga. All the options are on the table. It's super easy to use, and I just love the fact that it was a person-to-person experience, so I could speak the language out loud. They send you notes afterwards so that you can go back over them again, and you can kind of book in for these sessions that are really affordable and keep you accountable. I found the whole experience really easy. I'm going to share it with you as I go and hopefully be brave and speak mōreo with you as I go as well. Highly recommend checking it out. Good luck. Let me know how you go. Ka pai.